Hey Rick, my name is Alex, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hire someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. And I've found by giving people a free easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business. This has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands and say, Alex, I like you. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you, do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. Content, citations, and backlinks are those 3 things. So first thing is content. So you guys, I put it into a word counter. You have about 300 words of content, which is about the same as your top competitor. Google usually likes to have about 1,500 words to be optimized in their eyes, and they want some keywords in there that are not crammed in there, but put in throughout the content. One other thing I was looking at on your site, these color options. I really like this page. I really like that it shows all of your options, but one thing I noticed is that it's a big picture. So 2 things I saw is like, so if someone was looking for aluminum gutter beaver brown, if they search that, they wouldn't find this because it's in a picture. It's not text, and Google isn't reading that. One thing Google is reading is what you've saved this image as, and instead of color options 1, you can put a keyword in there. You can put aluminum gutter Grand Junction in there instead of just having it all saved as this one keyword. Well, not even keyword, color options. So that's just a couple things about your content. I want to show you also about the keywords. So this is SEMrush. It's a free tool. You get 10 searches a day for free, or you can pay for it. It's about $100 a month. I'm on the premium version right now, so I am doing that. But so vinyl siding Grand Junction, that's a huge keyword. Looks like it's very easy to rank with as well. There's 70 people searching that every month. So I was looking at siding Grand Junction. Looks like there's 10 people searching that each month. Total volume of 90 with keyword variations. And it does look like that vinyl siding Grand Junction is one of the best keywords to be ranking for. So we'll scatter that across your website and help you out with ranking with that. So, like I said, I found you when I was searching siding Grand Junction. It looks like, so sometimes you'll see ads up here. They're not always the most cost effective, but the first thing you see on this search is this map pack, or the maps section. And this brings me to the next section of citations. So what ranks you on this map pack is citations. Citations are the amount of times that your name, address, and phone number is listed across Google, listed across the internet, and Google picks these citations up, or they're also called on here. They're also called these referring domains. And it looks like that top competitor, Freedom Replace, which was over here, Freedom Construction LLC, this is their website. Pretty simple, definitely very obtainable to beat. Looks like they've got 34 referring domains. So that's 34 places where their name, address, and phone number is listed across the website in different directories, action pages. You can see Fruita Chamber. And the great thing about this is SEM Rush again, is it just lays you out all of the places where it is listed, and you can just go in there, um, fill out your information, and you can also be listed on that website. So let's go back to you. It looks like you've got 11, so a little less, um, but probably a couple similar ones. But that's a great thing about this. You can just come in here, fill them out, and then once we have 34, let's get 134 and just beat those guys by a landslide and be up top on this map section. So after this map section, down here is the organic section of Google. So the organic section of Google ranks you, gives your site authority with backlinks, and those backlinks give your site authority on the internet by, it's just one site directly linking back to your site. And that's what Google uses to show who's the authority in this section. We can go back over here, look at the backlinks for you both. It looks like you have 50 backlinks. Went down a little bit recently. Theirs went down a little bit too, but they've got 99, so a few more than you. But not all backlinks are created equal. Backlinks you obtain work a lot more effectively when you have more relevant sites linking back to you. For example, if you have like a citing window, citing blog or something linking back to you, that's a lot better than like a Pizza Hut or something linking back to you. This is a great one, the Delta Chamber, something like that linking back to you, showing your location, showing Google that you are the most relevant because you have relevant backlinks. And you've got a little bit, but we can definitely, again, build it up, use the same ones that they've got, and then find some more, and really just beat those guys out and be at the top of Google, show them that your authority, bring you in more leads, and that's what it's all about. So once again, we went over content. Like to have a little more content on here, a little more relevant content, use some keywords, show Google that you're the one to be looking at. Second, citations. We'd like to get what your competitors got and then 100 more. I think it was 134 we were talking. Just beat those guys by a landslide. Third, those backlinks. You just need more relevant sites pointing back at you guys to show that Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you with today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 303-625-3623. Once again, my name is Alex and my number is 303-625-3623. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.